Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to immediately fix or delete notification zone on your iPhone. For that you can simply toggle airplane mode on and then off, and to do that you simply need to slide it down and you will open your control center, and then you can see this aeroplane sign. Tap that and your aeroplane mode will be turned on, and after a few seconds for like 10 seconds let it be turned on. Then after 10 seconds just turn it off, and this replaces your cellular and Wi-Fi connections. And also what you can do is restart your mobile phone. Restarting your phone simply clears minor bug that is preventing real-time notification, and also you can check if your do not disturb mode is on. If it is on, just turn it off and it will no longer hold back notifications. That is how you can fix delayed notification on iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.